$0.6 trillion daily. That people agree if an industry grew by $1 trillion, a one. Think about that. Is it ever money in a exchange industry? And you know what they do? They make us pay fees every single month. Isn't that crazy? All we're simply saying is who here wants to do that for themselves? Okay? And we're going to teach you and guide you through that. Now on top of that, stocks, and the coolest part about all those things again is today you don't need to own any of it to make money on it. Okay? At all. So if you've ever felt like you missed out on a stock or you missed out on gold or cryptocurrency, all that doesn't matter anymore. Make sense? You have the opportunity to make just as much money as anybody else without even owning a single asset because of what we're going to teach you. Okay? Before becoming a businessman, for 3 decades has been a 9-figure trader. He's been so successful at trading, coaching, and mentoring people worldwide that truly he had a heart of gold. So with his impact and being able to learn how to trade, he has this industry that's changed my life. So what he did with his wife, Isis De La Torre, who by the way worked for the New York Federal Reserve as the CFO. Is that a big position, guys?
Yeah.
You think she might be a little bit good with money? Okay, she's doing okay, all right? The two of them together, education platform in the direct sales industry. You guys, when they did it, not only did it break history, but the company exploded. Over the last 6 years, we've grown to 120 countries worldwide. We're doing $250 million in revenue, completely debt-free, thanks to Isis De La Torre, okay? And here is the most exciting part. This is the biggest year for international expansion. This is the first year that we're now in India, China, Japan, Korea, Malaysia, Singapore, Indonesia, Central, South America, Africa, and guys, finally we're open all across Canada. How exciting is that, you guys? Absolutely, guys. Finally, the opportunity is here for us to get a formal, proper education with real mentors, real lifetime, with the day in, day out education that we needed. And the coolest part about it is not only that we're here in 120 countries, but the fact that we're now established here in Canada allows you and I to have an opportunity like nothing before. So let me tell you a little bit about the story of what happened. Canada literally got started in about February this year when I got a call from my good friend Randy Webb and a gentleman by the name of Alex, who's an EVP of the company. Alex and Randy had called me and said, Nafis, given your track record, your corporate background, we want to help partner with you to launch the academy here in Canada. And we want you to come on board for the first time ever to help us do this. So they said, we want you to come meet Chris and see the program. I flew out literally after that conversation, flew out to meet Chris, Randy, and got a chance to see the program. I come out, I see the program, I see the educators, and truly, first time in my life, you guys, I'm blown away and actually really impressed. In my 15 years of sales, marketing, business development, consulting, literally going out there and building business from the ground level up, I find out that you can make more money without talking to anybody. Make sense? You don't even need to talk to anybody, and you can make more money than anybody out there working their butt off. That is what really got me excited. But to be honest, there was 2 things about this academy that really made my mind shift into why this is going to be the biggest and baddest academy ever in the history in this world. Here's what the first one is. I have a belief. This belief is this. You need to always look for smarter, better ways to make money. How many people agree? Yes? See, here's the thing I'm going to ask you. Look at life today. Is technology getting better?
Yep.
Cell phones getting better. Cars getting better. Homes getting better. Why aren't people's incomes getting better? The reason being why is because they stop looking for smarter, better ways to make money. They stop where they're at and they continue doing what they're doing. Okay? That was my first belief. When I saw this was the smartest, best way for me to understand how to make money today. Here was the second belief. Okay? My second belief is this. You should treat people that are billionaires and equally. And the opportunity for someone that's a billionaire should be just as good as someone that's broke, exactly on the same playing field since day one. How many people agree that no matter who you are today, we all have a cell phone? Yes? It's a fact of it. How many people know somebody in a third world country that doesn't have a proper home, doesn't have a proper car, doesn't have a proper washroom, but has 2 cell phones? Yes? We live in that world today. Okay? My cousin in Fiji still has an outhouse, but a new iPhone. I don't understand, but it's okay. We FaceTime all the time.
So true.
Okay?
Same
So
thing
today,
we do,
here's why
exact
this
same
really
thing.
made a big impact on me. Because using an education like this, where we're showing people how to make money every single day without someone with recruiting on their phone, someone in a third world country or someone that's in a billionaire has the same device, the same opportunity, and the same capability of being able to make a phenomenal income. So guys, here's how we do it, okay? Number one, we're a complete academy. We're gonna take you from nothing all the way to being a professional trader with short, easy, simple videos that you're gonna watch online. Once you watch the videos and you complete them, literally we taught you everything there is to know how to trade from A to Z. You have the ability and the education to have the highest form of professional education in the markets today about trading any of the asset classes that we talked about, okay? Literally, guys, I would say this. You are more qualified than 90% of people that are probably trading today. Why? You have formal, proper education, okay? But here is the key element to our success. Even though, and let me know if you agree, that you are our best student, learning everything we provide in the education, you have literally no experience when you're on the charts day one. Yes? You can be the best student, understanding everything we show, that's it. So here's what we want you to know. After educating you to the highest level of education, we do not want you to trade on your own, okay? Because here is the key element to our success of our students. How many people here, if you had the choice of trading on your own or trading with a mentor, is going to choose the mentor? Yeah. Absolutely. And guys, this is where we change the game. We are the only academy in the world that's going to fully educate you on everything, give you the understanding of how to be a responsible trader in the foreign exchange industry, knowing everything A to Z, but then partner you up with a live mentor every single day. See, what we've done is our platform is called Go Live. And Go Live, here's what we do. We have somebody that's a 7, 8, or 9-figure trader live trade and be your mentor every single day. What we're going to do is have you, now that we've educated you, go into live real sessions where there's going to be a educator bringing up a live chart in front of you. When they're having the live chart in front of you, it's all real time, okay? And they're going to be showing you the market live. They're going to be showing you your strategy. They're going to be telling you what they're going to be doing. And more importantly, they're going to be making money in front of you. How many people agree that that's a good mentor? Yes? How many people agree that if you have someone transparently showing you their strategy, you see exactly what they're doing? Yes? And you're even being guided with them telling you what to do. And how many people agree that if you watch your mentor every single day have success in the market, you know their track record transparently? You can see what they're performing at. You can see how much money they're making. You can do it. How many people here are just going to get sick and tired of watching someone make money in front of them that they're just going to make money with them? Absolutely, okay? And guys, we are the first academy in the world to encourage students to come earn while they learn, okay? At your own risk and own liability, you guys, we want you to come participate with live educators that are real-time performing day in, day out in the market, and you get a chance to see the success of your mentor by being able to learn from them by earning and learning. And the coolest thing about it is that we don't just have one educator, we have 100 of the top educators in the entire world teaching everything we talked about, from foreign exchange, gold, stocks, cryptocurrency, options, everything else, okay? And we've got every strategy you can think of. Swing, institutional, scalp, anything that of your style that you want to learn, we provide it all through here. Here's the coolest part about all the educators. Every session, not only is it live, but it's also interactive. There's a chat box, and you can ask questions, get to know them. If you have anything you need to know, they're there to interact with you. The entire time, all the educators' goals is one goal and one goal only, and that is to have you eventually learn the skill so you can do it all on your own. How many people like that? Yes? Absolutely, guys. Over time, the repetition of doing it with us, seeing success and results with us, we hope to have you be able to pick it up so you can do it all on your own. Now, on top of that, here's what's really cool. How many people here sometimes get a little bit busy in life? Yes? We all agree, time to time, all of us, I can be the first one to admit it myself, find myself a little bit of having a hectic schedule. So what we did in this academy that's made us even have a better tool for you to help out with you getting the results when we want to help you grow this academy and your success is by having these phenomenal tools. And here's what we've done. Those same educators that are professional traders, imagine we just had your teacher do the homework for you. How many people would love that class? Okay. How do you fail at that class, guys? Can you fail at that class? If your teacher did your homework every day for you and then gave you the answers to the test, would you fail? No. And that's exactly what we've done here in this academy. Here's what we've done. We have phenomenal add-ons throughout the academy. All of the top educators also have an add-on, and what we've done is we'll actually have them draw up the charts, mark up everything, show you everything, and hand it to you for you to review. And you get a chance to literally take that trade idea, and if you like it, you can use it at your own risk and own liability. Simply put, and me to say it in a frank way, how many people here know how to copy and paste? Okay? Absolutely, guys. It's as simple as copy and paste. At your own risk and own liability, you're taking in a trade idea. If you like it, you can use it, and it's as simple as seeing it. Coolest part about all the add-ons, imagine your teacher giving you the percentage of the grade before they even give you the answer to the test. Every add-on we have shows you a track record of performance. 80%, 70%, 90% accuracy for the last month. And week after week, month after month, we release those performances. So you can see transparently how our products of those teachers are doing. How many people like that as well? Yes? Absolutely, guys. And you know what I'll tell you? It's really amazing because somebody, let's say they're a bus driver. They might be somebody driving a bus daily. They don't have time to be on chart. They don't have time to analyze or do everything. But guess what? The package, yes? And put their phone away. And by the time they're done their shift, can you imagine if they made the same amount of money they made at their work? I'm posting something natural to do this. I just was out there. And I was really blown away when I saw education programs that existed prior to us. It looks like today, frankly put. Okay, let me know if you've seen anything else. If you just want to take an online course that just teaches you the fundamentals of trading, anywhere from $2,000 to $10,000, guys. Just for a course online that's going to teach you what we just teach in our academy side. That's it. Okay. There is a university and colleges across Canada and the world now teaching courses for trading and foreign exchange, etc. And for example, for us here locally, we have BCIT. How many people recognize BCIT? Yes? Everybody know who BCIT is? Absolutely. To take their course for one semester, $25,000. Okay? To take one course, at the end of the semester, you get a little certificate, and then they say good luck. Makes sense? Like all pretty much BCIT courses, okay? I can say that because I'm a BCIT alumni, all right? You guys can't say anything bad about them. All right, that being said, you guys, that being said, this is the academy that really caught my attention. When I saw this academy and the way that they grew, who they were, what they did, I was really impressed. I was blown away when I heard about them. There's a company in Canada, very well known, okay? This was in Toronto for 10 years, okay? Robert's already holding his face because he's scared. He's like, oh my God.
They actually asked me to come be an instructor, and I'm like, I don't feel comfortable taking like someone's $100,000. It's $80,000 in total if you want all the packages to teach someone. I'm not comfortable to go even work with them.
Oh man. Let me tell you guys what the course is and how it works. You come in for the 3-day course, see if you like it, pay $300. But then they want you to come to the beginner's course, and it's about $10,000 to $13,000. After you're taking the beginner course, guess what you need? The intermediate course. They're like, oh, by the way, hook for about $60,000, specializing in a category, anywhere from a $15,000 to $20,000 program. Okay, here's what we heard: the average student pay about $25,000 to $60,000 for the education.
Oh my gosh!
This you are back at a freedom. You want to go to the beach? Go to the beach and do this. Make sense? Whatever you want to do, you can.